Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have very good news right now. Neo Global on Twitter tweeted out this tweet right here with this picture, so this is official, 100% official, guys. This graph right here, it tells you everything that's been going on with this company lately in the first 8 months of this year, which Neo has been crushing every single month and quarter so far, and they've been breaking records. With right now, Neo has actually gotten a 4,700 delivery month for last month, September 2020, and a new monthly record, with it representing a strong 133.2% year-over-year growth. So yes, guys, with 12,206 vehicles delivered for quarter 3 of 2020, Neo is exceeding the guidance and setting a new quarterly record again. So yes, guys, I am bullish on Neo stock. Very bullish. Actually, every single day since like around the end of September, stuff with a lot of information about what's next for this company, like them talking more about the deliveries and how they're increasing the production to meet demands and all that stuff. It's just made me more and more bullish. It's hard to explain, guys. Right now I'm speechless looking at this graphic right here, showing like the increase in deliveries by month by month, basically, in this year. So you guys can see how far Neo has come, from like 1,598 in January to 4,700. Neo has already delivered 26,000 vehicles this year, so 26k in the bank is already set. That's a lot of cars, man. So just look at this exponential growth, because it started very slow, right? It went from 1,500 to 3,800, so it took 3 months to double this number right here in January, and then to double 3,800. So it took like another quarter, but since then, like, Neo has been hitting these numbers where like it's just getting 5,000, almost 5,000 deliveries per month. So it's gonna definitely continue. If this continues going on, I guess quarter 4 and stuff, we can expect a quarter where they get around 15,000 vehicles at the very least. That's a low end prediction on how many deliveries they can have for quarter 4 of 2020. But yeah, just continuing with that momentum and just deliveries is just gonna be amazing for the stock and the price. And yeah, guys, this is an amazing time to be alive right now. Crypto is going to start to boom very soon. We got a lot of other projects that are happening in the world of crypto. A lot of regulations have been passed to do with that. So very excited for the future. Now, Neo, guys, people are calling, institutions are calling it the Tesla of China, because this is a company, man, that the China has been pushing by far the most. Like, they've been trying to back this company up with a lot of money, and they've been investing money. A lot of strategic investors over there in China have been putting money into Neo. So that is good news that this company, they won't let it fail, man. Like, Chinese pride won't let this company fail, because they would look bad. China would look bad if one of their biggest EV companies just randomly fell or went bankrupt or something after receiving government funding. That would be very bad for China, for the People's Republic of China, whatever. Like, politically, economically, stuff that would be bad. Obviously, this isn't like the largest company in China, but it is a company that's backed by one of the largest tech companies, Tencent, right? So over there in China, I think Alibaba is still one of the largest Chinese companies, so is Tencent. But this company is gonna rival. It's gonna get up there in terms of like top, and if you want to list it like top 5, I think Neo is going to get into the top 5 in great Chinese companies in terms of like just output and everything, sales, deliveries, and overall revenue in the future. This is like, I'm talking short term, because of how fast things are moving for this company. Now, guys, we also good news, we reached 4,000 subscribers, so things are moving fast with my channel and we're growing. So thank you for liking and commenting on my videos, and for being bullish with me, and hyping me up as well with the comments and everything. You guys are amazing. Now, I want to, after talking about the delivery numbers for September 2020, I want to also talk about how in the news, on Twitter, we found information that the president tweeted out. He said him and Melania, whatever her name is, that they have the C19. I don't want to say the term for it, because YouTube might demonetize me for or might put limited ads on my videos if I say it, if I mention the name of it. But it's basically what caused the pandemic. So he has that, and now Twitter's going crazy. It's trending. But I do think that the stock market, when it opens today completely in the morning, 8 a.m. or whatever, 7:30, 8:30 a.m., October 2nd, is going to open in the red. The reason why I believe that is because we already see large companies are not really volatile, like Microsoft, already in the red. So Microsoft's already $3.46, $3.46 in the red. So that's 1.63% down. And just the after hours. Keep in mind, it's 2 a.m. October 2nd. So the market hasn't even opened. And it's not just Microsoft, guys. It's also Tesla. If you look at Tesla right now, it's down $17. So even though it had a gain of $19 during October 1st, like throughout the trading hours and stuff, it lost almost all of that just so far already in the after hours. So it hasn't even been the pre-market or anything like that. It's already been losing. And then you have, it's not Tesla as well. Look at Apple. So I'm mentioning 3 companies that are known for not having so much volatility, because these are large companies that people, there's a lot of liquidity with these companies. People are buying and selling constantly, but mostly buying because these companies are highly sought after. But as you can see, they're in the red. Look, like I said, keep in mind, these are popular companies. Basically, they're not like, they're not penny stocks, so they're not volatile at all. Look, Apple's also in the red, $2.29, guys, almost 2%. So that means that NEO, if we look at NEO right now, you guys can see, I'm actually going to refresh this, but on Google, you can see that NEO is down 2.85% in the pre-market, which is bad. That just shows that it's going to open in the red. Even now, I want to make things clear, guys. Just because NEO had good news today about their September deliveries and Q3 results as well for sales and everything, doesn't necessarily mean that NEO will have to open and stay in the green today all day. There are news that will negatively impact the Dow Jones, and which will affect the stock market and many companies like NEO. Now, this was political news that will affect the stock market, but it won't stay in the red forever. Obviously, it's going to recover, and that's what I expect to happen. So look, NEO exec says that independent development of autopilot features is risky, but do it anyway. So, they're saying with the newly released OS 2.70 that there's major updates, and the navigate on pilot assist feature. So a lot of autopilot information and about the features and stuff. And it's saying that theoretically no system can cover all scenarios 100%, but you can't make the system 100% before you give it to the users. Jeon Young, sorry if I butchered that name, reveals that it takes 2 to 3 months for NEO's vehicles to determine the user's behavior and then learn their driving habits. So yeah, guys, that's pretty interesting. It just shows that it will take some time before this new OS is fully functioning, and obviously they can't make everything perfect. There's gonna be some issues. You're gonna have bugs and stuff happening with a lot of this technology, because it is new. We are in an emerging market, so the EV market hasn't been established for that long. It's just people are still working out things, and yeah, Tesla's still not 100% perfect. There's still a lot of cars that have issues every now and then. It's not like a common thing, but out of nowhere something will happen with the autopilot and stuff, or I guess whatever they have. So yeah, so sometimes it will have issues with the autopilot where it will just, the dashboard will be twitching or having issues like that, but that's normal with any sort of technology, computers, whatever, tablets. One more thing, guys, by market cap, NEO is swallowing up all these other automakers. Look, NEO is already it's already close to 26 billion in the market cap, which is what Ford is at right now. So NEO is so far right now swallowed up Fiat, Chrysler, Suzuki, Subaru, Xpeng. Obviously, Xpeng is new, Nissan, all these other automakers and stuff. So NEO's right now it's coming for Hyundai and Honda. So, and hopefully they can overtake BMW, which is it's coming, guys. All this stuff is coming. NEO in the next 2 to 5 years, they can achieve this. Guys, when NEO reaches $100 per share, it will be around a 100 billion market cap. So, and by then, if these companies don't go up in value by market cap, like Volkswagen, you have Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Ferrari, then NEO will be above all those companies by market cap. So yeah, So after the price reached $22 for some time, it actually went down during that same day. So now we're seeing the price at 21.71, but because of what's going on with the news and stuff regarding the president, and the Dow market's going to crash today on October 2nd. I don't know how much, but I just know it's going to, go down some points. So that's going to affect NEO. So when it affects other large companies like Microsoft, Tesla, it usually affects NEO as well, even though NEO could have good news the day before or the day during that. Doesn't matter. Use this time as a buy opportunity for NEO. So if you see NEO drop down to $21 or even under that to $20.50 or $20.80, whatever it is, or even $19, worst case scenario, it's like in the high 19s, then definitely use this as a buy opportunity to get some stock for like cheaper price, so you don't have to buy or whatever at $22, $21, where there's going to be support here in the coming weeks. Definitely buy this dip, guys. If you were on the fence on buying a NEO stock, now's your chance to buy it, because NEO is a buy even at $21. I think that that's a bargain price for what you're getting. This company is the future of China and the EV market, EV space, whatever you want to call it. You guys already know this, but yeah, China is the largest EV market in the world, but that's not the only reason why you should be bullish on NEO long term. I think another reason why you should be buying NEO at these prices is because this company right now is overtaking a lot of other automakers very quickly by market cap alone. We have Tesla that just surpassed so many companies, man, this year, 2020. It almost has a 400 million market cap, guys. So that's insane that Tesla can do that. I think NEO can reach a 100 billion market cap. And what does that mean? That means that the price has to be at least $100 per share or $90, whatever, but around there, those type of prices for the market cap to be that large, especially when NEO has 1 billion outstanding shares. I hope they don't put out more, really, because that's going to cause more dilution, but I still think overall this company has a great vision for the future, and the products that they're building are great, high quality luxury SUV EVs, and these are great, guys. If you guys look at them, they look nice. It's not just the way they look, but they look like they're performing pretty well compared to the competition. Now, as the EV market is growing and everything every year, China wants to grab a hold of that, and they want to get a piece of the pie. And one way they can do that is through NEO. So I think the NEO can become a lifeline for the Chinese economy in the future. And I'm not talking about like a year from now. I'm talking about 5 to 10, maybe 15 years from now, where NEO can bring a lot of jobs and increase like a lot of activity for the Chinese economy, and can help them financially in that way by bringing those jobs there and keeping them there, I guess, and promote high-paying jobs in that field where these factories are, where they're building these cars and everything. That could help. I could really help the country overall, but not just the country. It can help the environment and bring jobs to other places when NEO does decide to go global and like start selling and producing cars over there in Europe and also in the US. But yeah, this company's plan is to be global, to be a global phenomenon, and as well like Tesla, and to be favored among other companies as well, because these guys don't want to create monopolies. Like, they have a vision of wanting to hopefully partner up with other EV makers so they can share technologies. That will overall help towards building that carbon-free future by 2050, which the UN and governments are trying to push. But yeah, I think this company is a buy. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment on it. Share it with your friends if you found this information valuable. Also, there's a bunch of links in the description. Check them out if you're new to investing. There's a Webull and Robinhood link in the description where you guys can get free stocks for signing up. It takes less than 10 minutes, but you guys will basically get free money for using those links and getting those free stocks. So starting out with those free stocks is better than nothing, for sure. So start your investing journey by clicking those links. And also you get to support me by doing so. And yeah, definitely subscribe, guys. We've reached 4K subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.